The specialized collet suppressor, which is constructed from a polymer material, consists of two distinct components: the base unit and the functional working module. Before you begin the process to install the suppressor onto your rifle, you must first take the time to carefully ensure that the firearm is completely unloaded and that the chamber is entirely clear of any ammunition. Make sure you always do this before the unit installation. So first, take the base component, carefully place it onto the barrel, and then press it down firmly until it completely stops moving. Next, you should twist it back and forth a few times to ensure that it fits much better and more securely. After that, hold the nut tightly in place and slowly turn the suppressor until it is fully tightened. Tighten the nut. Alright, that is perfect. Now check it. The base does not slip at all. Then take the working module and carefully rotate and screw it securely into place. Continue to screw it on firmly and steadily until you hear a distinct creak, and then turn it just a little bit more to ensure a tight fit. That is it. The suppressor does not move under force anymore, which means it has been installed correctly and is ready for use. Thank you for your attention.